Google Play Store disappeared from your Android phone? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you two quick and easy ways to restore it in few minutes. Method 1. Unhide Google Play Store from the home screen. Sometimes the Play Store is hidden from the home screen or app drawer by mistake. Start by going to your phone's home screen. Press and hold on an empty area until the home screen options appear. Tap Settings or Home Screen Settings depending on your Android device. Next, select Hide Apps on Home and App screens or a similar option. You'll see a list of apps that are currently hidden. If Google Play Store appears in this section, tap the minus icon or uncheck the app to remove it from the hidden list. Finally, tap Done or Apply to save the changes. Now return to your app drawer and check whether the Google Play Store icon has reappeared. Method 2. Re-enable Google Play Store. If you still can't find the Play Store, it may have been disabled. Open the Settings app and tap Apps. Scroll through the list and look for Google Play Store. If you don't see it, tap the Sort or Filter icon and enable Show System Apps. Once you find Google Play Store, open it. If you see an Enable button at the bottom of the screen, tap it. This will reactivate the app immediately. After enabling it, return to your home screen or app drawer and search for the Google Play Store. It should now be visible and ready to use. If needed, restart your phone to refresh the system and ensure all changes take effect. That's all for today. Subscribe for more simple Android tutorials and tech fixes.